In this video, I will show you how to add a button on the LAMP application. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check and see if the word is available. So you will go to Menu, Vocab Builder, and you will type in kinetic sand. You'll see it doesn't pop up here, so it's not in your library. So you can also go down here, select Word Finder, and you can also look for it that way. And you will see that it doesn't show up. So that means we have to add it. So what we will do is you'll go to the page where you want to add it. I want to add it, kinetic sand, to the toy page. I will go to Menu. I will select Edit Page. And I'm going to add it to this blank box here. I will select Edit This button. And I'm going to type in kinetic sand. And you'll see that a picture is not here, so you can check and see if there's a picture in the LAMP library. So you can look and use this magnifying glass in the corner. You'll see nothing shows up, which means there really isn't a picture of kinetic sand. So you can select Cancel, and you can now import an image. So you can choose if you want to take an image or take an image from your image library, which is the library on the iPad. So I already took a picture of kinetic sand, and you can see it's in my iPad library, so I will select it. I will select Use. I will select Done. I will select Save. And I will select Done. But you see it's not here, which means I have to go into my vocab builder, my library, and I will have to check mark it. So I will have to type it in, kinetic sand. And you see how it pops up this time? It wasn't there earlier, which means I can now put a check mark next to it. Select Done, and now it is there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a word on the LAMP application. There are two ways to do this. The first way we can do is we can use this spelling button and this word finder feature. And so you can type in cookies or cookie and hit find, and it'll come up and show you the path that you can take to find cookie. So you can select it. It will shade in all the words you're not supposed to touch, and it will just highlight the ones you should. And eat, snacks, cookie. Now, if this is hidden, the spelling button is hidden, there is a second way you can go through and use the word finder feature. So you can go to Menu, select Word Finder, and you can type in cookie. And again, it will come up with a path you can take to find the word cookie. So you can select Eat, Snacks, and Cookie. In this video, I will show you how to hide buttons on the LAMP application. What you will do is you will select Menu, Vocab Builder. You're going to toggle this quick edit to off on, and you'll see that it turned green. You will now go through and you will type in the words that you want to have visible. So you're going to hide all the other words and just type in the words you want to keep. So in this example, I will type in more, and I will put a check mark next to it. I will hide bathroom, or I will unhide bathroom, put a check mark next to it. I will unhide eat, and I will put a check mark next to it. And I will unhide bubbles, and I will put a check mark next to it. And I will select Done. You will see all the other buttons have been hidden, except these that are now available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide buttons that have already been hidden on the LAMP application. So the first thing you will do is you'll go to Menu, you'll go to Vocab Builder, and then you will type in the words you want to unhide. In this example, I want to unhide want. So I will type it in, and I will check mark it. I want to unhide mom. So I will check mark it, and you can select this X up here. It clears your search bar. You can type in dog, put a check mark, and you can type in like, check mark. And now that I put in all the words that I want to unhide, I will select Done, and you will see that they have now shown up. So, for example, here is like. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the voice on the LAMP application. You will select Menu, you will select Settings, you will scroll down until you find the Speak header, and underneath that you will see Voice. And this says that your voice you're currently using is the Aaron voice. I want to change that. So when you open it up, you'll see there's a list of voices you can choose from. A check mark means that that is the voice you are currently using. If there's an arrow with a cloud that's pointing down, this means that the voice has not been downloaded, but you can download it because it's already in your library. If there is a blank box kind of next to the speaker here, that means that it's already been downloaded, so you can pick that one to use. So in this example, I do want to use Alex, so I will select Alex, I will select Done, and I've changed my voice. In this video, I will show you how to lock the menu button on the LAMP application. So what you will do is you will select Menu, select Settings. You're going to scroll down until you get to the Editing section, which will be in that header there, and you will go to Menu Passcode. So you can type in the passcode you want to do. I want to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just kind of chose a really simple passcode. And what you'll do is you will then use Menu Passcode. You will toggle it on, and you will select Done. So now you've created a passcode, and how you can check it is you can type Menu, and you will see it'll prompt you for the passcode. You can it also locks the vocab, so you can't get out of here to go select a different vocab. So select Cancel, and if I want to see if it works, I can just type in my passcode, and you'll see that the menu bar has appeared.